The correct location to put your ads.txt file in all versions of Next.js as of mid-August of 2025, regardless of whom you authorize to place ads on your web property, is in the public directory. And it's the same for the robots.txt file to control web crawlers. I have seen developers trying to dynamically create these two static files with TypeScript, either at the component level or the pages level, and it did not generate the desired result that they nor their employers were looking for. Notice I said static files. In Next.js application, static file lives in the public directory. I think this is one of those classic cases where developers try to outthink themselves. We know that Next.js comes out of the box as a server-side rendering React application. So there is a hydration process that takes place in all server-side rendered JavaScript libraries, which is the process to make the server-side rendered HTML interactive by attaching DOM event listeners and managing component lifecycles on the client side. The Next.js build system does not touch the public directory during hydration. Where I'm going with this is that during hydration, a potential timing error can occur, known as a hydration mismatch, which is a mismatch between the server-side rendered HTML and the client-side React application's expected HTML. So then if the robots.txt and the ads.txt files are not located in the public directory, then the expected SEO results might go completely foobar, which absolutely defeat one of the best reasons to use server-side rendering JavaScript. I'm only referencing the ads and the robots file in this video, but keep in mind that there are other files as well, including sitemaps and manifest that needs to go into the public directory. If you have doubts about what I'm saying, then you could certainly build an AI tool to scrape all 2.9 million plus live Next.js web apps and research for yourselves. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.